Such a simple little adapter that solves a big problem. Hiker J here. This week I'm doing an unwrapping of the Vijim microphone adapter for the GoPro 5, 6, and 7. Now, if you've checked my channel out before, I love to vlog with a GoPro, but they have that crazy big mic adapter and you have to find something to do with it. This is one of the simplest methods I have found yet if you're going to get the adapter because it connects to your standard GoPro housing. So let's check it out. If this is the first time to my channel, thanks for stopping by. If you could hit subscribe, that would be awesome. I put out new videos on outdoor gear and such every week. And as always, the link to the products are always down below in the description, so you can check them out, everything that I'll be talking about. Lastly, Vijim did send this to me for free. They're not paying me for this review, but they did send it to me to check it out, so I'm pretty excited to share it with you. So let's open this bad boy up. So in the email, this is a new product of theirs, and the way that it explained it was that it just clips right on, or slides right on to the top clip of a standard GoPro casing. Let's get my GoPro out, and we'll check it right out. So here's my GoPro 7, and here is that microphone adapter. So this microphone adapter is a pretty expensive adapter, and you have to have it to be able to hook up an external mic. And I use a Rode Micro on my GoPro setup. And I really love the GoPro setup for vlogging or filming because it's so small and it's nice and it's really not obtrusive. So anything that can be done to make this mic adapter fit in here better, it's just great. It's a USB-C and it just kind of plugs in right there, and then you have to put it somewhere or have it hanging with a microphone. Alright, so let's install this piece on the GoPro. So they have an arrow right there, and it's supposed to just slide on. Oh, it's too easy. So it just slides onto the clip on top. I'm not sure. Huh? The clip even works. That's kind of crazy. So it can just stay on there. So that's kind of nice. It's gonna cover up your power button up here. I'm not sure how. Well, we'll get to that when let's slide this in and then figure that one out. So it's gonna have to go this way because you have to plug it in there. So let's feed it through. It's pretty tight, and then you can just, oh, actually I like this one because some mic adapters, I mean, there's a pretty good bend right there. There's not a ton of stress on that USB-C, but a little more than I'd like to see. Alright, so then let's put the microphone on the top. So it has a cold shoe right on the top that'll hold the microphone. This isn't a bad deal because when you put the dead cat on something like Rode Micro, it can be in the camera, so you can kind of see how I've shaped mine kind of this way. So having that extra distance is actually a pretty good thing. I'm going to put it on my old Joby here. I've been using this summer, is an awesome handheld for vlogging. Because it has the extension, but it also has legs on it. So I really, really love that option, and it can be different heights and everything too. So now it doesn't come with an actual GoPro adapter. I had to put that on here too. So let's just put it on. So this is it all set up. I think it's a pretty simple system. I'm trying to figure out, oh, you can get your finger in there too to start recording. That's pretty awesome that they actually have enough room in there for you to actually stick your finger and start recording. That's brilliant actually how they did that, because I thought maybe you'd have to slide it over, which you could do, and you could hit recording too, but I don't know if I'd want to put any more stress on the mic adapter itself. And I think it's a really simple piece, especially because you have your stock case already that can hook onto any type of a grip. You just want to get that microphone hooked onto a cold shoe. So this bad boy just comes with a cold shoe, slides right on here. Oh, this is even better. Check this out. You can pull your camera out. I didn't think about this. You can actually slide your GoPro out. You can change your SD card or battery for sure. That's always a tough one to change when it's in some of the other cases because you got to strip it all down. But this is pretty cool because the microphone just stays completely attached to the case, and you're back in business. You just change that battery out and you're set to go. Such a simple little adapter that solves a big problem. I love this type of thing. So if you're interested in one of these, go ahead and check the link down below and you can get one yourself. Totally supports me through my Amazon affiliate. Fully appreciate it. But as I said, they sent me it and for free, not paying me, but I do really like it. I think it's worth it. Till next time, just remember, life's a hike, so hike happy with a sweet little GoPro vlogging system.